What's up everybody? I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender. As I said before, Blender is free and open source video compositing and video editing software. I use it for video editing, and I'm going to download and install it in this video. It's very easy to do. You can search for Blender on Google or go to blender.org. Blender.org, go to download tab at the top, and then this button will come up. It recognizes that I'm on a Mac. I'm actually on an older Mac. I'm on a Mac Mini, late 2012, on Catalina. That's the latest this can upgrade to, so this is proving that it can be used on an older machine and how easy it is to download. LTS means long-term support, so typically this button is a good option for you. So I'll go ahead and click that and wait for it to download. And it's going to pop up. I'll save it to my downloads folder. Now that that's done downloading, just click on the DMG file that you downloaded. On Windows it'll be different. On Linux it'll be different as well, but on Mac it's a DMG file. It just mounted this image, and all you have to do is drag that into your applications folder. Wait for that to finish. Once that's done, we can close that. We can eject Blender there. We can quit out of our browser, and then by hitting Command Spacebar, I can just type in Blender, and now I have the program. So go ahead and open it up. And there you go. In a few minutes I have downloaded and installed Blender. Just to show you what it looks like to do video editing, I'll hit next here, and then under the new file title there, just click video editing, and there we go. I'll click don't allow. I don't like any notifications. So that's it. I've downloaded and installed Blender in just a few minutes, and next we're going to get into how to import footage. Thanks for watching.